my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it, you'll want to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So I'm super excited because today is Friday. And if you did not see my latest video said that we were going to be doing a makeup lucky scoop for one of my gem members. Now, these are the people that pay that monthly membership fee. So they are subscribed, but they are a member of my channel as well. And they get added perks for that. Yes, definitely. So every Friday until Christmas, I'm going to be doing this. I've got to show you guys my pool and what's in it. And then we're going to put the names of the gem members into a bucket or whatever I can find, pull out a winner and pull a lucky scoop. I'm so freaking excited to do this. Guys, it's been a day where, you know, pretty much lots of things can go wrong, but you got to push through it anyway. I put setting spray on my hair instead of hairspray. And this is my 4th cup of coffee. Yes. All right, guys, let's see what's in the pool and then let's get on to pulling a name. This is my pool. My pool's looking kind of sad. Let me get this. Oh my goodness. The shelfware, there's so much stuff. Let's see. We're going to put these, drop them on down there. Oh yes. Oh yes. We got some goodies. All right. We are not done yet. Ooh, I've got stuff. Okay, yeah. All right, I'm back. So I got everybody's name. Oh, let's please welcome Cheryl. Cheryl, welcome to the Gem Squad. I'm so excited to have you here. Would you email me so I could get your welcome gift out to you? Guys, make sure you say a welcome and hello to Cheryl. She has just joined the family. I'm so very excited. Your name is in here as well. Guys, everybody's name's in here. I'm using Kayla's bucket. Should we scoop first or pull a name first? Scoop name. You know what? Let's scoop and then pull a name. Come with me. All right, guys, so it's time to scoop. For next week, I'm going to try to get something a little bit better so you guys can see what I'm doing, but it's kind of hard for me. I'm in the corner of my house, and I mean, let me show you. She's full, and I'm going to be adding things to her daily, so let's go ahead and grab my scoop here, and let's get going. All right. Make sure I get as much as possible. Oh my gosh. I'm going to need a bigger scoop. We're going to do 3 scoops instead of 1. And hopefully each week this will get better and better as I figure things out. All right, so we have got a scoop right here. Let's get back to the names. I am back. All right, so we've got this here. Shall we pick a winner first and then see what we got, or show what we got and then pick a winner? Let's do it. Let's do it this way. Okay. So the first thing is the Wet n Wild SpongeBob collection. If you guys remember that came out, I don't know, last year I think it was. This is Squidward. So we have him. Then we have by Ciate London, Dewy Highlight Gloss Cheek Glow. Then we have by QMS, Medic Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Then we've got Manny Moments Manny in a Box Duo with a Nail File. Then we have Sundowners Oaklyn 18 color eyeshadow palette. Ooh, we have Gary, Wet n Wild. Gary, this is for your brushes, clean your brushes. All right, is that everything? Yes, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 items. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and pull out a winner, and then I will give you guys my email address so you can send me your address and I can get your package out to you. So exciting. Okay. 1, and we have, oh, it's Jessica Moreno. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Congratulations. I do hope that everyone else was going to give you a huge congratulations. This is exciting. This is fun. I'm looking forward to doing this. This is for you guys that pay that monthly membership. It's an added perk. And we do have Cheryl, who is a brand new member. I'm so excited to have you here. I've got so many exciting things coming for you guys. For me to be able to do this, this is like me sending myself to your home and hugging you, you know, just giving you a gift, giving you a Christmas gift. I love doing these things, and you guys mean so much to me. So if you want to learn more about my memberships, I'll go ahead and link a video in here for you if that's something you want to do. You do get a welcome gift. So if you just signed up today, go ahead and email me at this email and let me know, put in the subject line, free gift, and I can get that out to you. And if you've got any questions for me, put them down in the comments. I also have a giveaway going on with the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism palette. That will be linked below if you want to go ahead and watch that video and enter that. And I love you guys. Happy holiday season, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!